Welcome to Aasai Rasai. Thanks for checking out this video. This is how we traditionally enjoy avocado in Sri Lanka. First, you gotta check if the avocado is ripe by gently pressing on it, and if it's ripe, it should be soft, not firm or hard. Then you cut it lengthwise like this and discard the seed by scooping it out with a spoon, or you could do it this way. Slam it with the knife and take it out, but it's a little hard to take out of the knife, so just be careful. So scoop out the flesh, and if there are black spots on the flesh, it's going to be bad, so don't use it unless it's like one black spot on the flesh means it's bruised. Sometimes the avocado might be a little fibrous, closer to the narrow end of it where the stem used to be, so avoid that part if you notice that there's fiber, and scoop the rest of it. And if the avocado has black spots or patches on the skin, that means it's spoiling, so you need to throw it out. Usually we just mash it up with a spoon as much as possible. Then we add some sugar and mix it until the sugar has dissolved and it will mash up a little more. Along with the sugar, some people add a little bit of milk powder, and that will make it richer and creamier if that's what you like. Otherwise, if you like the level of richness that avocados naturally have, just the sugar would do. I personally prefer not to add milk powder. So now that way you would have more texture in this dessert, but if you want a satiny smooth texture, add all the ingredients into a blender and run it until smooth. I left this dessert out at room temperature for about 30 minutes and it didn't turn brown. And then I put it in the fridge. I covered it in plastic wrap before that, stuck it in the fridge for 30 minutes and it still didn't turn brown. So I don't know if it's the variety or what, but avocados do turn brown when you have cut them and when you've made desserts like this. It is still edible. It doesn't change the taste, it just doesn't look right. So that's the only reason why we try to avoid the avocado from turning brown after it's been cut. And that's how we have avocado pear or butterfruit Sri Lankan style. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Aasai Rasai. Thanks for watching.